Hello everybody. As you know, I have a Triumph T120 Bonneville, and today me and my buddies are going to take it into D&D Cycles in Pensacola for a recall on electrical connectors. This is a known issue. I called the Triumph dealership. They checked my VIN number, and sure enough, my bike is on the list. So we're going to trailer it down there. I'm going to leave it with them. It's only supposed to take like 20 minutes to make the repair. However, they're very busy right now, and I have to let them work it into their shop schedule. So I've got the bike all ready to go. Took the windshield off. I took the trunk off. Kind of cleaned her up just a little bit. As y'all know, I haven't been able to ride since January. My doctor still hasn't released me. Supposedly in April, I'm going to have an appointment with him. He's going to release me and I can go back to riding. So I want to get my bike in there, get it fixed and get it home. So when the time comes, I can get back on it and go. She'll be ready. It is indeed.
You got it. How many miles did it have on it when you got it?
2,300.
There you go. All right, how do you recommend
That's the way to buy them. Oh, we'll just roll it out there and put it on there. Fellas, can I record today?
That's what I was hoping you wanted.
There is not a video on YouTube about the recall on these bikes.
Okay.
I'm going to make one because it needs to be a public service announcement.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Stand and I'm going to give you a big push. You ready? Here we go. All right, I got the balance. Okay.
Yeah, that wasn't a one-person job.
No, you can't.
Well, it can be, but they need to be younger than us.
Hey, Zach.
I just need it for like no tires.
Okay, we're on our way to D&D. We're taking the bike in to have the electrical recall done. So they say they'll take 3 or 4 days. It only takes 20 minutes to do it, but I'm sure they're real busy right now. So it's a Friday afternoon. All our buds are here. Billy's here, Zach's here, Scott's here. And so let's get on the road.
Let's do it. Also, it's kind of internet.
4-door.
So this is the second oldest Triumph dealership in the United States. The oldest one's in Florida, and it's owned by the same family that started it.
Yep, come on. Got it. Hey, I'm good. I called the other day. I've got a T120. I've got to have the electrical recall done on it. And y'all checked the VIN. You said it was in the required thing to do it. I brought it for you. Y'all said he couldn't do it right away. You had to I had to leave it. So
yes, sir.
I have no problem doing that.
Cool.
Can you tell me what actually needs to be done? What are they doing in this recall?
Replace some connectors in the harness.
Okay.
Basically, cut out old connectors and crimp new connectors in.
Okay, no problem.